Oh my gosh, this looks horrible. Look at this. Look at Hey bunnies, so for this video it's going to be kind of a beginner's guide to brows, and for this video I'm going to be using the Kiss Stick On Brow Stencil in Delicate. They do have two other types, and that's natural and dramatic, I believe. If not, I'll post it somewhere else, but I think it's natural, delicate, and then dramatic. I did go for the delicate because it's like kind of like in between. Now you'll see me somewhere in this video try this product. Me personally, not a fan, but if you are a beginner, like literally just out the gate starting out to do your brows, it's a great tool to help you along the way. It'll help you to define, you know, where your arch is supposed to be and all that stuff, and then you fill in, which I think this is what it's made for, because if this is how they expect you to walk out the house looking, they're wrong for that, because this is not the business. You get 7 sets of stencils, 1 set for the left brow and another set for the right brow. As you can see, I only used 1 stencil because it was just a mess. After I did it, I had to go off camera, finish my face, fill in the brow some more, finish my other side of the brow, do everything, and then come to you guys. On a scale of 1 to 5, I give this product a 2.5 stars, for the fact that when you pick it up, because when I saw it in the store, I got it again, TheFourFiveFour, I got it from my local beauty supply store. It was $1.99. When you pick it up, they make it seem like when you do it, you're gonna get her brows. You see how dope her brows look? That is what I expected to get. I know that I need to get my brows done, already know that, and that is a factor in determining how your brow will come out. You want to make sure that your brow is nicely tweezed or shaped or waxed before you do all of that, but whatever, you can work around that if you want to. But if you're like, the brows are like crazy bushy and out of control, get that together first and then jump into the brow stenciling business. Again, you get 7 stencils. Again, not a fan of it, but if you are a beginner, it's a great beginning tool. Just like last week when I showed you the wing eyeliner thingy, that is what I used today to give myself a wing look. And this is the Glam stencil. Love the eyeliner stencil. Love the little the gel eyeliner that comes with it. I am so happy that it comes with a brush. That is the perfect tool for learning how to do your winged liner. Love that. This, on the other hand, 2.5 stars. Again, and I'll keep saying this, if you're a beginner, definitely go spend your $2. I'll try to find a link for you, leave it in the comment section in the description bar so you guys can click the link and get it for yourselves. If you are a beginner, definitely this is a good tool for you to identify how to do your arch and how hard or heavy you want your arch. This is the delicate, and it looks like it'll give you, like, you know, a decent arch, but it's really soft, so the natural will be even straighter than this. If you go with the, I believe it's called dramatic, I'm not sure, but I think that's what it is. If you go with that one, you'll get more of what I'm working with, I believe, right now. This stencil is just a guideline. You will have to fill it in or take off with your either concealer or foundation as you go along, but this is a good starting point, a good guideline. So for that fact, I'll give it like 5 stars, because that's a dope tool. When I was starting out, I wished I had that. Now, for the girls like me and whoever else is watching who have been doing their brows for a number of years now, this tool is a waste of time. I did this brow faster than I did this brow with the stencil because I still had to go in and fill in some more. This product, again, if you are not a beginner, if you're not a novice, if it's not your first time, couple times doing your brows, this is a waste of time. This stencil pack is for the beginner, okay, the beginner. On the back of the package, it does come with the, you know, the instructions if you didn't get it from the video somewhere that I posted earlier. Step 1, you peel off the stencil. Step 2, you stick it on your brow. Step 3, you fill it in. You can use a pencil like I did, or with the brush and the powder thingy. And they do have eyebrow kits that come with the stencils. It comes with the gel, pomade, and the powder and all that stuff. And then when you're done, you take the stencil off. It doesn't adhere so that there's any residue on there, but it sticks just enough so that you don't have to, you know, be holding it down the entire. Sure, you should hold it, but you don't have to apply as much pressure as you do with the eyeliner, with the winged liner stencil. Okay, so there's that plus there. Again, it's not my fave, but for beginners out there, you'll love it. Alright, if you have any questions for me, if you feel like there's something that I should have mentioned that I didn't mention, leave it in the comment section below. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace sign and kissy face. Bye. On the upper part of your lid, of your lash line, your lid, what is this? Your lid, your lash line, whatever right here is, that's where you want to put it, up top. I had mine in the video where I'm doing it, I had it all the way down here. You don't want to put it there because you're gonna get, as you'll see in the video, it'll be like all the way smudgy down here. So you want to put it up in the angle that you want it to go. I wanted mine to go up, and so I put mine up